Well, friends, we are back again. Now we'll just continue, and probably this is my last video to you. Okay, first let me complete a story, and this is a story. We must take a story from the greatest dramatist of the English word, that's Shakespeare. Shakespeare was the greatest dramatist because he was equally good in comedies as well as tragedies and as well as social plays. So I'm going to tell you one of the a story of one of the greatest tragedies Shakespeare has ever written and the world has ever seen. Okay, the title of the drama is Othello. Is Othello, not was Othello, is Othello, because that drama still exists. No, Othello was a hero of that story. Now, who was Othello? Othello was a very brave man, full of valor, bravery, etc. He was too brave. But unfortunately, he was ugly too. He was very much ugly. So this bravery and ugliness both combined, and that person was Othello. So he used to tell the stories of his bravery to a nobleman called Brabantio. Brabantio. He used to tell his stories. Brabantio was fascinated with the story, but unknown to Brabantio and unknown to Othello, unknown, उनको मालूम नहीं था. Another person was also influenced by the bravery stories of Othello. That person was Desdemona, the most beautiful daughter of Brabantio. Desdemona was very beautiful. So then, after listening to the stories of bravery of Othello, she fell in love with Othello. Somehow Othello also came to know that. And then, of course, that's such an ugly person. He was getting such a beautiful lady. He accepted immediately. And they both got into the marriage bond. But this marriage was not approved by the father of Desdemona, Brabantio. But he was useless, he was helpless. वो कुछ कर नहीं सकता था, helpless. But finally he said to Othello that the daughter who is not faithful to her father will not be faithful to her husband. Now, जो अपने बाप की नहीं हो सकी, वो अपने पति की भी नहीं होगी. Now this statement has actually not much relevance. This is a very natural statement, but this statement plays a very big role in the future. Now, okay, Othello and Desdemona, they go to their kingdom, they go to stay in their palace, they start living, they started enjoying. Well, it was a nice, happy life they were enjoying, but there was somebody. His name was Iago. Iago was a subordinate of Othello. उसके नीचे काम करने वाला. He had a wife also. But Iago was a jealous kind of person. Though in the face he was flattering Othello, but actually inside he was very much jealous about the bravery of Othello. At the same time, though Othello was so ugly, he got Desdemona, a beautiful woman. So Iago was more and more jealous, and he started playing some tricks which would instigate some doubt in Othello about the chastity of Desdemona. Chastity and pavitrata. So like this, the tricks started going on. And now the thing is that doubt is such a weapon that it works and it works. When it works, we don't know, but it does work. And who is using doubt, who is carrying doubt, is finished with that doubt. That weapon attacks that person who carries that weapon, who uses that weapon. So this is a doubt, and Othello's mind was full with doubt, and Iago was playing in such a nice way, in a very tricky way, that Othello really started believing that his wife has fallen in love with somebody else. And now The character of his wife was at stake. Othello was very angry. Othello didn't know what to do, and then finally he decides to kill his wife, Desdemona, that beautiful woman. Okay, that night, that scene of the night is that Othello has gone to the bedroom of Desdemona. He wanted to kill her. He decided to kill her. He was determined to kill her. But he saw her beautiful face, and there was some shine on her beautiful face, and that face was so cute, so beautiful, so sweet that Othello could not dare to kill her. Just could not dare to kill her. And then a voice came. That's a very famous statement in the English literature. Put off the lights. Put off the light. Put off the light and put the light off. Put off the light. रोशनी बंद कर दो and put the light off. इस रोशनी को निकाल दो. Off, O-double-A. So put off the light and put the light off. And Othello puts off the light and then puts the light off. He killed Desdemona. That's a end of a beautiful love story. A beautiful love, not story, a beautiful love. A very innocent love. After killing Desdemona, Othello didn't know what to do. All of a sudden, Iago's wife came, Iago came, and then the truth got revealed that Desdemona was faithful to Othello. She was not at all unfaithful to Othello. She had no affair with anybody. Everything got revealed. Then Iago killed his wife. Then Iago was taken by the police and the soldiers at that time. And with the full repentance, Othello killed himself with dagger. So that's the end of the story. It's one of the greatest tragedies by Shakespeare in English literature. There are many more also, but now, okay, I'm going to stop it here. I'm going to stop all my videos here. Thank you for watching me. Now, just before leaving, I'll give you some advice that, okay, continue this narration. See, first of all, you go through my previous videos, continue, do it on and off, because English is not that language that once you learn and just you learn it forever. You learn something and then you believe that you have learned it forever. It's not, it is a practice you have to maintain at least for a year or two. So listen to those videos, listen to my pronunciation, listen to how I use it. Grammar is not very important here because this is a spoken English. After that, go through the stories on and on. Try to narrate stories in your own words. If possible, you write it down. Don't think about the mistakes or the clarity of the story. Just think is that you can make sentences in English on your own. Continue with it and polish your pronunciation. That's the main thing. Polish your pronunciation. And second, you can see some TV serials which are in English, which have some subtitles. Try to read those subtitles and try to listen to that pronunciation of those people. Continue with that. See, learning English is fun. Learning any language is fun. I know few languages. I find it's a great fun. So go ahead with it. Don't dishearten, don't discourage, don't stop it. Continue it. I am with you. This videos will always be with you. They will be always on YouTube. Continue with it. I wish you all the best. And whenever I don't promise you that you will have a very spontaneous fluent English, but whenever the situation of English arises, you will be able to handle it. That's the main thing. Okay, and if you can make a group of friends and just speak on, okay, let's go with that. Okay, thank you for watching me. Thank you for me also being with you. Thanks a lot. Goodbye. Happy English. Happy learning.